Hi, I'm Andy from Heritage Parts Centre, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Uprated suspension handling kit. Heritage Parts Centre have put this suspension handling kit together for the bay window manufactured between 1968 and 1979 to not only save you the time in looking for the parts, but it could also save you up to 15% off the individual buying price. The gas shocks are stiffer and the anti-roll bars are thicker than standard, and the bushes are made from urethane rather than rubber. The kit includes a pair of front gas shocks and a pair of rear gas shocks, a front anti-roll bar and a rear anti-roll bar, all the urethane bushes you need, as well as the fixtures and fittings to install the kit. It is a straightforward job to do. It's just a case of replacing old with new. It will not only reduce the body roll, but it will also increase the vehicle's handling responses. For more information on the Uprated suspension kit for the bay window manufactured between 1968 and 1979, please see our website.